Hello, 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 hello. Ito. This one. I think this. Ay, nausa naman eh.
Well, I mean, they have some definitely. They wouldn't break it, and then after that woman went on, I think they took it out. Oh, really? Yeah. They're like, nope, she ruined it. He had like no towels. He was just like doing random stuff.
Sas, do you have a can opener, Sas?
What?
Can opener? Can?
Okay, yeah.
Santa baby. La 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 la. Tonight. Oh, put it in the you know how to you know how to open? Okay, that one. Yeah, rinse that one first. Rinse on the top, yeah. So, ano ba yan?
You want me to open it for me?
Yes, thank you. These noodles, mahi siya. Mahi siya sa akong kuwan. May buntag. Sa tanan. Dahil siya makukuha ng noodles. Kaya nga no? Ano siya? Ano bang... You cut?
Yeah. I know, they
You
kind
cut
of.
your finger?
No.
Oh,
I didn't.
that's okay, that's okay.
Put it over
I do that
there.
one, yeah.
There.
I don't want you to get cut. I don't want you to get scratched. This noodle is different that I have.
Oh, you want me to grab it? Yeah.
Use the spoon.
Here, let me get the spoon. No, sometimes I'm like, oh, whatever, I'll just use my finger and like, here, I'll do it. Okay. Doesn't matter.
Ay, that's okay. Don't open up that one, the whole thing.
Oh. Okay. Oh.
Put in here, babe.
Huh?
Put in here.
The whole thing?
Yes, the whole thing.
Oh, I love the taste of coconut.
Oh. Put some water in there.
Seems like that could be used for like. You know, Mom, when I tried making curry,
Yeah.
Brett used it because I had this.
Yeah.
Brett used it and put it in his soda, and it actually tasted really good.
And soda?
Yeah, he put
Yeah,
it.
you can do that. Yeah, just like the one that they do
good.
that. When
He
they
made it
do
like
the-
a pink drink, you know.
Yeah.
Wait, how much? The full can?
The whole can, yeah.
Full
Full
can?
one, yes. Oh, the whole
Is that
thing.
gonna-
This whole thing.
Where is it gonna boil over? Okay, whatever. Thank you. Lord.
This noodles is different.
Gosh, I'm getting overstimulated by my sleeves being wet. I know.
pancit.
Oh, you're eating pancit?
Okay, that's what you did because pancit. Right?
Oh, I can't
Do you have a spoon?
Huh?
Do you have a spoon?
Oh, I just put it.
No, a spoon so that I can taste. Get a new one.
I just put it. This? You want me to taste it?
Try to taste it if it's like,
Is it cooked, the chicken?
yes. Okay, wait. Need salt. Need more salt. Where's the salt?
Here?
Oh, you do like this.
Well, I thought I was the one where you just go like
You have
that.
more, it's done already. You have more sauce?
Oh my gosh, I almost gave someone cardiac arrest. I'm gonna change over your back.
Huh? Keep her salt?
Oh, I just did table salt. I just did it. We go over it. Oh, there was more. Actually, I think there still is salt in here.
Huh?
I think it still is salt in here.
Ano? Ay, what the heck? Di ba eh? Nagluto ako sa bawsa. Malunggay ba? Sash.
Yeah.
Did you knock off this one?
Turn off this one?
Yeah. This one too.
Yep. Just have to say
You think it's already cooked? It is. Kailangan pa kasi. Mo kasi. Hello guys. Luto tag sabaw. Ate Rot ako nang giluto ang imong kamunggay na imong gihatag.
how's it looking?
It's okay.
Okay. I'll be down in a minute.
Okay. Kamunggay. Kamunggay ni Ate Rot. Dara Ate Rot ay mong kamunggay. Kay si Gwynny na sabik sa kuan sa baw. Ugay kay bukal eh. Ano mo maghuwat ka mo sa atong giluto mo, magugay mo bukal. Ano siya ka ng kuan. Pero ang pansit naluto na. Hello. Good morning din ha. Ngayong Pasko, kaninyong tanan. Hello po. Nagsayo-sayo ang antong kordapya nga. Mayra. Ato sa ning ibutang. Awang kamunggay. The kamunggay is there. Diba? Ano siyang kamunggay? Saan naman akong cellphone? Eh? Dili naman siya mo. Hindi man siya mag ano-ano. Mag. Hold on. Good morning, may buntag. Buyag intawo, no? Chutay ko na ni. Buyag, buyag, buyag. Buyag, itaw din na ninyong tanan. Butang tabi. Mas mo yung butang. Butang sa nang salt. Lugay ka nagbukal. Nagluto ko ka ng kuan sa bawas manok. Ngagi kamunggayan. Thank you kay sa kamunggay, Ate Ruth. And then, ang sabaw. Gisabawan ako nga unsay tawag ana? Sabaw ba nga unsay tawag ani? Sabaw nga manok. Manok nga gibutang nga tunog. Ano siya? Mga untag apple. Ngayong buntag sa tanan. Ngayong buntag aday pati. Good morning sa tanan din ha. Unya ang empanada ni Ate Ruth. Hold on. Ate Ruth, dira sa imong empanada. Ate Ruth, imong empanada. Diara. Yan. And then, diara ang batang kiyak. Kamar, di ba? O ano? Diara. Hi! Diara. Say hi to everyone. Say hi, everyone. Awa, paraygon kayo. Hi, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everybody. I'm Levi. Gini. I'm Levi. Apa man? Kiss. Man, kiss. Lechon manok lang ako, ma'am. Lechon manok. Ay, naunsa naman na eh. Ay, kayo eh. Ang luto po kung kanon. Happy na ka mga anak, day, pati. What's that? This is going out?
Yeah.
Now, someone already wants to go party. Party. Ayun akong kuhaan na rin on. Gaya bukal eh. Hindi na ko bantayan, kaya dugay kayo mo. Tawad lang tanom. Tawad lang tanom. Sang asa na ka ate. Ate, maka maritis ta diri ha na ay sudan si Ma'am Rose. Opo, Ma'am Judith ko sa December 27. Uy, hapit na day. Good luck. Good luck sa imong deliberation. Sa tawagan na, delivered. Oh. Gaya bukal eh. Gutom na ang mga Tanawang gihatag ni Ate Ruth nga kamunggay. Duha ni kadag ugma akong nituon karon nagluto ko ganina. Kamunggay. Salamat, Ate Rot. Kamunggay.